Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API invalid block error. This error usually happens when you are using block kit formatting, but the JSON structure is incorrect or missing required fields. First, make sure your request contains valid JSON with no missing commas, quotes, or brackets. Next, ensure each block includes a proper type field, such as section, divider, or header. After that, remove any unsupported or extra fields inside your block to avoid validation errors. Now keep the message simple while testing, ideally using only one block at a time. Also, make sure your entire payload is a single correctly formatted JSON object. If you are just starting out, switch to simple text messages like I am doing on the screen instead of using blocks to avoid formatting issues. The simple rule is text messages are easy and usually always work, but blocks are more advanced and must be perfectly structured. In most cases, this error is fixed once the JSON structure and block formatting are corrected. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack invalid block error by correcting JSON formatting, using proper block types, simplifying the payload, and testing step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.